In reference to hair loss, we all want to stop additional hair loss, meaning we surely do not want any additional hair loss. The problem is there's many methods in the industry that add more hair or conceal the thinness, meaning those the powders, but they all cause additional hair loss. They work, they give us more hair, or they hide the hair loss, but they cause additional hair loss. We want to stop additional hair loss. One way of doing that is to not use anything that's going to cause or speed up additional hair loss. I'm sure you agree. Another way is to use a revolutionary method using the microstrand technology, which is this. You might have seen it before. One human hair at a time is added onto this microstrand, which then becomes this, the finished product. Now I want you to take a close look. This is the actual finished product. I want you to notice if I brush or comb it or move it or split it, what do you see? You really don't see anything. So what does this mean? This means if you add hair to make your hair fuller using the microstrand technology, you would have stopped additional hair loss. Why? Because common sense tells us that your scalp will breathe, that your hair will come through this, and you'll be able to use all of your existing hair.